Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraman Sohag with you in this video. Now I am showing you how to make single pole double throw light wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Rocker switch 1 and 2, LED light, fuse and fuse holder. Car battery, positive connection to fuse, positive connection outgoing from fuse to connect rocker switch common terminal, positive connection outgoing from rocker switch one terminal to another rocker switch L2 terminal, positive connection outgoing from rocker switch 1 L1 terminal to rocker switch 2 L2 terminal, positive connection outgoing from rocker switch 1 common terminal to LED light, negative connection outgoing from battery to connect LED light. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.